Hi everyone, my name is Jacob Morton. I am the K-12 engineer for Georgia and Alabama. I've been with Extreme for a little less than a year, and I'm making this to announce that I'm wanting to do a series of videos every Friday. I'm going to call them Finally Fridays. These are going to be short 5 to 10 minute video clips of different things, whether it's how to configure different things on a switch and switch tips, or Extreme Management Center, our software, and tips for how to do different things within Management Center. I would like to do wireless is my background. I really enjoy wireless, so I'd like to do basics of wireless and work our way all the way to some more advanced wireless discussions. Also, I would like to touch on new products and whether that be hardware or software. Whenever software gets updated, I want to show you guys those updates. If you have any suggestions on videos, if there's something that you would like to see either within Management Center or um, on the wireless or this or switches, feel free to reach out to me. My contact will be in the email, so feel free to reach out to me. And with that being said, we will go ahead and jump into this first Finally Friday. Thank you. Hi everyone. I wanted to take a little bit of time today to show you how you can open a command line within Extreme Management Center. This is possible if you added your CLI credentials within your SNMP profiles whenever you added the devices. If you did that, then we can open up a command line from within Extreme Management Center. Um, so to get there, and you have to find the device. Well, this is the landing page of Extreme Management Center. You land on the network tab. So we have to go to devices, which is this tab right up here. There's a couple different ways to find devices. One is going down by sites. Um, this is the world is all the devices on your network, and as you go down to a site, that'll reduce the number of devices. And you should have set up network topology and a network topology view. If you haven't, I'm going to make a video later on about how to do that. But you can click on the network topology view, click on the second network, and it'll bring you up to all the connections. So this is a way that you're able to see all the connections in order to find that device that you're looking for. Once you find the device, you can simply right click the device, head up to the first tab here, the device tab, scroll down to open device terminal. And there you go. I mean, you've got a command line already opened up. No, you don't have to jump into a different application. This is one pane of glass, uh, just editing your devices. And this is not only our devices, but you can also do third-party devices in this as well. Type in your commands, make your changes you need to make, and you're good to go. So that's a way to find devices. There's another way of finding devices, which you can either come back to the sites and you can see all the devices within that site. But if you know you're looking to make wide changes across one type of switch, then you can come in and you can find that switch. So you want to edit all your 670s. You can actually click on your 670s. It'll bring all of them up, and this allows you to, once again, you can right click, go to devices, and drop down to open a terminal, and you can do it from this screen as well. And open that device terminal. Once again, type in your all your changes you need to make, and you're good to go there. But what you also can do is you can shift select or shift and click the top and the bottom, and that'll select all of the switches. Right click, open, uh, and go to devices, and then go to execute CLI commands. And this will open up more like a scripting type of a command line. So you can actually type in a bunch of your commands. Say you're wanting to configure the same thing on multiple different switches. You can type that in. I typed it into um, a Word document. I just put enter in between every line, and then you can copy and paste that. I'm doing a bunch of show commands because I don't want to mess up our demo room here. But you can execute all those, and you see that it's starting all three devices. It's opening up those, and then it's running through each one of those commands. You can click on each one of these and see the results of the commands. So it's a way for you to accomplish a lot and push out a lot of commands to multiple switches at the same time. You could build one script for one controller and just push it out to all of them. So it's a way for ultimately to save you time. I appreciate you watching this. If you have any questions, you feel free to email me, and I will be more than happy to help you out where I can. Thanks.